Hey guys, welcome to another case study video. Today we are going to be discussing how Autoshorts AI went from $0 to $97,000 in MRR using creators, ads, affiliates, and SEO. A special thanks to Sebastian for putting me onto this. I'll have his channel linked down below as well. But in today's video, we'll be breaking down how they initially scaled and launched, the growth hacks that they used to make sure that the MRR was increasing, the marketing tactics and angles that worked for them, and how you can copy and paste this into your own business. Before we get started, who am I? My name is Shivam and I run a company called creatorprogram.co that helps other SaaS businesses grow using creators and affiliates. I've done over $94,000 plus in MRR for a company and also generated $2 million plus in revenue for a company using creators and affiliates. You can find more case studies on my website if you're looking to do the same. Make sure to hit the link in the description and book a free strategy call with me. But let's get straight into it. So a little TLDR before we get started. It was founded by Eric Smith, who is an ex-Instagram engineer. The product is pretty simple. It takes long-form content and converts it into faceless viral shots using AI. It was launched in Feb 2024, which is just over a year ago at this point, and the current revenue stands at $97,000 MRR as per June. You can see right here is a tweet by Eric. They are at $138,000 in revenue. They are still a solo founded company. They are bootstrapped and the MRR stands at $97,000. MRR is equal to revenue. You can see that he's currently spending 3 to 4 hours a day on the business and is primarily answering support emails and building whatever he needs to build. You can see over here $97,000 in MRR. So how did he actually do this as a solo founder? Let's say number one, how he validated it. This is a point that usually a lot of people get stuck at. So with Eric, there was no VC launch, no big hype. He launched it like a real indie founder. He posted on his Twitter, hit a few Reddit threads about the company, dropped it on Product Hunt as well, and made faceless TikToks and linked them back to Autoshorts because that is exactly what his software does. He built some basic virality hoops once users started making content. That content promoted the tool organically. This got him to about $270 in MRR with 400 users, just enough for him to go harder on the product. So you can see with him, he just bootstrapped it the whole way around. A lot of people get stuck in this way of launching and how to launch a product. He just launched it very simply, and these are few things which are pretty much free to do, so you can do them yourself as well. And you can see after that, he just implemented a very simple marketing playbook. He built a product that markets itself, so it users share output videos and usually connect back to Autoshorts. He grew via organic and product virality because his product was very simple to use. All he did was start posting on Instagram and TikTok and made sure that the product is always present in the caption or on the profile. He started paid ads in May, which was Facebook and Instagram, and he also opened an affiliate program. You can see he's done a monthly breakdown of the expenses that he had in September. At this point also he was at a $90,000 MRR, but his expenses stood at $44,000. You can see he was spending Facebook ads $16,500. On 11 Lab, which is the text-to-speech software, which is the AI voice, he's spending about $11,000. For the AI image gen, he was spending about $10,000. He was paying about $8,000 to affiliate, which is 25% revenue. So that means the affiliates were making him well over $32,000 at this point. He was spending $4,200 in OpenAI. For servers and hosting, he was spending about $2,000, and he just started email, so it was $162. His MRR stood at $93,000 and his profit was at $68,000. So to break it down, let's start with meta ads as a first strategy and what he was spending at. So you can see when he started the Facebook ads, you can see he got 31 new subscriptions a day through Facebook ads. His LTV was $120 and his cost per acquisition was $28, which means he was generating a ROAS of 4.28x. So to put this into a strategy, what he was doing was he was using a classic NRC funnel, which means a nurture, retarget and capture funnel. He was moving his cold audiences into a paying customer with a structured funnel. The insane ROI that he was getting was his ROAS. Basically, switch this into $1 to $3.2 out, he would have made a lot of money. So this was one disadvantage he had as a solo founder, was that he wasn't putting much into the meta ads. Post that, he launched his affiliation plus creator playbook. So you can see in May he actually paid a creator a cool $1,000 for just promoting him, and you can see this is what the creator was making. And you can see a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of people were starting to post about them. This one video got 135k views, which was just an Autoshorts video that was made fully with AI on their own channel. The AI Hustle, I've worked with this channel before. They charge about $1,000, $1,500 for a video, and it was making them 160,000 views. That means imagine how many people that actually subscribe through them. And then they had this one video viral that when this AI tool creates short videos in seconds, and you can see this video generated 463,000 views. So how they launched their affiliate program was pretty simple. they promoted UGC driven content. So while everybody was trying to do ads, etc., they tried to make it as UGC style videos as possible to blend into TikTok and Reels. These videos highlighted the benefit of make money without showcasing your face, which actually led to a lot of people trying to subscribe to it. But it also comes with a disadvantage of churn, which we'll talk about later. They made sure that affiliate program became a growth engine for them, and they started giving out 25% in revenue to them. That motivated influencers and micro creators to promote them authentically. They made sure it acted as a sales force, spreading awareness about the company without charging much to them, because they were just paying people after they were generating them revenue. They also started to recycle creator content for ads, and they started reusing them as paid and then started paying them for this feature. And now they've also got into paying these creators money to start making content for them, which is the right way to go and scale up, by making sure YouTubers, Instagram people are talking about you, so you pay them an upfront fee as a hybrid model with an affiliate commission. So they are posting about you constantly, and they're motivated enough because they also have a growth attached to it, which is the affiliate program. This is exactly what we help SaaS businesses do as well. And the third thing that they did was SEO and product updates. So a lot of SEO happened for them naturally because a lot of affiliates were posting about them. So more affiliates is equal to more blog posts is equal to more organic traffic. And you can see all of these came out very naturally for them. And they also started using and started shipping out more updates. You can see when they were launching new things, they also noticed that when they announced it publicly, affiliates would usually put new videos out saying new updates are out. So this gave them a positive MRR as well. So you can see the growth started becoming more and more as soon as they were promoting new videos. So you can see this spike, you can see when they started a new update, a lot of affiliates posted about them, and this saw an uptick in the actual revenue that they were making. But a software like this comes with its own disadvantages. So you can see the major growth killer that they are facing is that they are having a 25% churn rate. And ideally in a SaaS business, you should have less than 10%. So the aim is still that. They were too cautious on ad spend. They could have spent a lot of money and generated a lot of more revenue and gone over that 100K mark easily. They have a lot of competitors now coming in, like InVideo, etc., who have a lot of money to be backed up, and they are putting out costs, etc., as well as taking in all the creators by offering a much better affiliate program. If you want me to cover InVideo's growth, make sure to comment down below. And also the tech is catching up with open source versions, templates, etc. being available on OpenAI. So that's one of the factors that are actually killing a software like Autoshorts, but they still have a lot of potential to grow. So now that you have the exact blueprint for turning this micro SaaS into a 6-figure MRR boost, the lessons that you should take away from this is to build fast and iterate publicly. Paid ads, once validated, should be done and should be scaled up. Add tiered pricing early, that helps segment power users. Make sure that you have constant creative testing going on, and you have emails plus affiliates for retention loops as well. So that's it for this one. If you did learn something from it, let me know down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If you'd like me to implement any of this or have a consultation with me, you can click the link in the description, or you can go to creatorprogram.co to have a look at our case studies, or connect with me on LinkedIn, where I usually share a lot of other case studies as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, do hit the like button and comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.